السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Sorry for the delay. Welcome to our latest webinar, Ray Digital Solutions webinar. Good afternoon to everybody watching. I hope everyone a blessed Ramadan Kareem. We are here today to bring forward to you our latest company under Ray Group, which is Ray Digital Solutions. Founded in April 2021, Ray Digital Solutions focuses on developing softwares to assist corporate processes and tasks, automating the task as much as possible, trying to limit the human interaction to it, and depending on machinery as much as possible. And with that being said, let us start with the Ray Digital presentation that they have prepared for us. So please have a look at this video, which has been put together by RDS, which explains to us what Ray Digital brings to the company. Thank you.
A Digital Solutions Webinar. Introduction. Inspire, innovate, and accelerate our customers' digital transformation effort. Charity starts at home. A bold statement which Ray Digital Solutions takes into practice. We innovate and consume our own products, learning the return on investment values before we offer to any customer. Ray Digital Solution is an upcoming digital company, innovating on the common challenges experienced in the industry. Our wealth of experience grants us the best platform to experience the solutions, and also a competitive advantage to offering matured products. Our history. Our journey has been short but an exciting one. Our journey started in April 2021 with the allocation of one project manager, 4 developers, and 1 graphic designer. We started with 2 digital transformation projects in supply chain and project site management domain. In August 2021, we established Epicor Technical Group. We also initiated a legacy modernization project in the health, safety, and environment domain in September 2021. Seeing the success and demand, we launched our brand, marketing, and communication division in November 2021, with a project to create digital brochures and magazines for Ray companies. As we step into our second year, Ray Digital Solutions team has successfully worked on 6 digital transformation projects across multiple domains, and have 10 projects in pipeline. Our areas of expertise. We are experienced in application development and maintenance, automation and artificial intelligence, cloud computing, staff augmentation, graphic designing, and last but not the least, cybersecurity. Our domain and technology expertise. Let us take a look at some of the case studies and projects we have worked on. End-to-end digitization of procurement process. We created an application to digitize the current manual procurement process in supply chain management. It also eliminated the need of manual interaction with Epicor ERP software for PR details and PO creation. The application provided SLA and KPI insights and alerts. Legacy application modernization. Modernized and replaced the old legacy technology-based web platform used for managing the health, safety, and environment quality, in order to simplify and improve flexibility, scalability and delivery. Automation, analytics, and insights. Collated report files received from different departments, extract, transform and load data to a centralized report database. Connected to company enterprise applications. Built a dashboard for analytics and insights from this data for Board of Directors. Staff augmentation and offshore development center. Assembled a full-time, dedicated team of experienced software engineers and business analysts with relevant experience to execute the client's portfolio of projects. Allocated skilled remote and on-site technical and functional ERP consultants for both long-term and short-term projects. Graphic designing. Prepared a state-of-the-art Ray Company brochures and magazines, created impressive logo designs, and enabled Ray brand positioning. Let us now watch a few short videos of the applications developed by Ray Digital Solutions.
eProcurement is a web application developed for supply chain management division and digitizes the present procurement process, which is now carried out manually. The following are the high-level functionalities and features of eProcurement application. Vendor management. Create and publish RFQ to vendors, submit quotations by vendors, comparison report of the vendor quotations, select quotation, and create purchase order published to vendors, purchase order tracking, and expedition, seamless real-time two-way communication with Epicor, real-time notifications on all events and actions, insights and reports. Let me give you a quick tour of the application.
eProcurement supports the following roles: HOD, buyer, vendor, reviewers. HOD and buyer will have access to the following features: insights and analytics. Vendor management includes view all vendors, add new vendors, purchase requests. Any purchase request that is created in Epicor and is assigned to a buyer is automatically pulled to eProcurement application. RFQ. View all RFQ and create RFQ and publish the same to vendors. Quotations. View all quotations received from vendors against the RFQ. View comparison report. Purchase order. Select and finalize a quotation and create purchase order.
Purchase order will be automatically created in Epicor. Once the purchase order is approved in Epicor, the purchase order document is automatically pulled to eProcurement and buyer can publish the same to vendor after review. Buyer can track the purchase order and expedite the same.
A vendor will have access to the following features: insights and analytics. RFQ. View all RFQ published to the vendor.
Quotation. View all submitted quotations. Create quotation against a new RFQ. Purchase orders. View all purchase orders published by buyer to the vendor. Vendor has to acknowledge the purchase order to enable the download or view of the purchase order document. Project Site Management Portal is a web application that digitizes the current project site management process, enabling the team to manage projects efficiently and productively. This solution also provides more insights into the performance and status through various reports and analytics. High-level features includes create and manage project details, create and manage project activities, create and manage project daily plan, manage manpower and vehicle allocation, manage manpower and vehicle attendance, manage site concerns, cost estimation, material management, insights and reports, real-time notifications. Let me give you a quick tour of the application. Project Site Management Portal supports the following user roles: Project Engineer, Planning Engineer, Material Expediter, Quantity Surveyor. A project engineer will have access to the following features: view all the projects belonging to his or her cluster, add new projects, add planning engineer to a project, request for cost estimate and review the same submitted by quantity surveyor, review and approve material requests submitted by material expediter, access all reports and insights, respond to queries and concerns raised by the team. A planning engineer will have access to the following features: view project list where he or she is assigned as the planning engineer, edit projects, allocate manpower and vehicles to the project, track manpower and vehicle attendance, enabling active projects, manage project activities, add job and manage daily plan against each activity, allocate materials against each activity, raise queries and concerns to project engineer. A quantity surveyor will have access to the following features: create or update project cost estimate referring to the design document, raise queries or concerns to project engineer. A material expediter will have access to the following features: create or update material request against each project and submit to project engineer for review and approval. updating the number of materials received at site. RAY International Group Management System, RIMS, is designed to replace the current third-party HSE management software, Indilex. Let us walk through a quick demo of the Incident Management module in RIMS. The Incident Management module supports 4 different roles, which includes Incident Reporter, Incident Reviewer, Incident Investigator, and Final Approvers. Incident Reporter creates any health, safety or quality-related incidents in the system that has been observed in the workplace. He or she will provide the information, including incident details, risk matrix to analyze the severity of the incident, any damages observed to people, assets, reputation and environment, as well as any actions to be taken. The incident is then sent to the reviewer or manager for review. The reviewer then studies and evaluates the incident and assigns to investigator for inquiry. The investigator will explore the incident in detail to understand the damages caused, sequence of events and provide instructions on actions for preventive and corrective measures, and also provide information on interview details. Once the investigation is completed, the manager or reviewer will evaluate the investigation reports and send for final approval to head of the department, HOD. Depending on the severity of the incident, the HOD will approve and close the incident report. In case of high-severity incidents, the HOD will send the incident to group leadership or GM for final approval and closure of the incident. Next is the Robotic Process Automation project. Now, let's start the bot. In the video, we will be demonstrating capabilities of RPA using Microsoft Power Automate. It will fetch the requisition ID from the server and use that to search in Epicor. Bot will log into Epicor and open new PO suggestion screen. It will enter the requisition ID and load the corresponding order suggestion. Once loaded, purchase order is generated. Bot will open requisition entry screen from Epicor to retrieve the generated PO number and update in the SQL database. It will then use the generated PO number to download the PDF from purchase order entry screen in Epicor. Once the purchase order is downloaded, it will close Epicor and the automation ends. For the demo purpose, we have kept the automation flow to one requisition ID, but keep in mind that this can be done for multiple requisition ID too, with efficient and fast execution. Now let's open the downloaded PO file. Everything looks good. This automation was developed using Microsoft Power Automate. That brings us to the end of RAY Digital Solutions webinar. Thank you for your time and support.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for listening this presentation. As many of you may know, RAY Digital is responsible for various softwares that the group currently uses. Some of them are e-procurement, which is made for the procurement team, project site management, website content management, RIMS for HSE. A thank you to Mr. Ahmed Al-Kindi, who has been heading the RDS team for some time now. We thank him for his hard work and his efforts that he always brings to Ray Group. To conclude this session, I would like to thank the RDS team for all the support and applications that they have brought to the table. As a Ray Group, we hope to see more of these applications and technologies to be implemented in this company in the future. And a quick thank you to everybody. This is Haytham Al-Zakwani from the Communication and Media, signing off. I hope everyone had an interactive and interesting session. Thank you.